students, today we'll read about the Amazon River Basin. It is one of the world's largest river basin. It is known as also as the lungs of the earth. It is a part of South America. It is drained by the world's largest river, the Amazon, and its tributaries. It covers about 40% of the total land area of the continent of South America. The Amazon River Basin is located in the countries of Venezuela, Suriname, Guyana, Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, Brazil, and Bolivia. The maximum part of the basin is covered by the Amazon rainforest. These forests are also called Amazonia. They are the largest and the densest tropical rainforest of South America on the earth. The river Amazon is the largest river of the world. It is about 6,400 kilometers long. It rises in the Andes Mountain and drains into the Atlantic Ocean. It forms the largest dense rainforest basin of the world. The dense forest basin of South America is known as selvas. Climatic condition of the Amazon basin. The climate of the Amazon basin remains hot and humid throughout the year. It is characterized by heavy rainfall and high humidity. There is a slight temperature variation in the area as it is located near the equator. Natural vegetation of the Amazon basin. The dense equatorial rainforest basin is known as selvas. They are the largest rainforest of the world. They are often termed as the lungs of the earth. These forests are very dense with thick undergrowth. They have a thick canopy at the top which does not allow sunlight to enter these forests. These trees never shed their leaves at a particular season. So, these forests are called evergreen forest. Ebony, Brazil nuts, etc. are the important trees of the equatorial rainforest. Wildlife. The Amazon basin provides shelter to the variety of wild animals. It is the home of anaconda, the world's largest snake. The armadillo, a giant anteater, is also found in the equatorial rainforest. Crocodile, snakes, birds, monkeys, and insects are also found in this forest. Life of people in the Amazon basin. The Amazon basin is a home to about 2 million people. Most of them follow traditional ways of living. These people depend on this forest for their day-to-day life. They depend on the forest product for their clothes, shelter, food, etc. They use traditional way of farming. They are indulged in slash and burn agriculture, which is very harmful for the environment. Tapioca, sweet potato, coffee, cocoa, maize are some of the important crops grown in the Amazon basin. In 1970, the Trans-Amazon Highway was introduced for an easier access to the Amazon. In spite of the presence of all of the above discussion features, the Amazon basin is sparsely populated. This area is sparsely populated because of the following reason. First one, harassed climatic condition, lack of fresh water, lack of hygiene and sanitation, presence of dangerous animals, lack of sunlight. Activities responsible for damaging the Amazon river basin. Man has started damaging the ecosystem of the Amazon river basin. The following activities are responsible for the damage of the Amazon river basin. First, mining activities. Second, industrial and agriculture expansion. Third, construction of large dams and reservoirs. Fourth, practice of slash and burn agriculture, etc. So, the students, today we came to know about the Amazon basin. It is one of the largest river basin. It is known as also lungs of the earth. It covers the country of Venezuela, Suriname, Guyana, Peru, Colombia, etc. The Amazon rainforests are known as Amazonia, the life of people in the Amazon basin, etc. Thank you, student.